Mockingbird. All right, two observations. Here we have the same thing being played twice. So same notes and the exact same rhythm. Same thing. Okay. Here we have the same notes being played, but a slight change in the rhythm, especially the second beat of this bar compared to the second beat of this bar. And here we have also the second beat of this bar compared to the second beat of this bar. Okay, otherwise it's the exact same thing. Work on this little section here in particular. Alright, so let's go through the rhythm. We have 4 beats in each bar. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. We have ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, tui, ti, 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 ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, tui, ta, 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 tui, ti, 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 ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, tui. Alright, that's our rhythm. Our notes, we have note D, B, and then A. Just 3 notes. D, B, and then A down here. Same thing down here. D, B, and then A. Now we have D up to A, B, A, and then G. Again, the same thing here. D, A, up to B, A, and then G. Right? It's very similar notes. Well, same notes and the same rhythm in this section. Same notes, there's a slight change in rhythm. So you have your notes, you have your rhythm, and let's put it together. Mockingbird.